3 Curiosities about cats. Things you should know about your fur masters. Cats are known to meow to communicate with humans and other animals. However, a lesser-known curiosity is that cats rarely meow to communicate with each other. Instead, they have developed a variety of vocalizations specific to interaction with humans, as a way to get attention or express their needs. When among other cats, they communicate more through body language, scents, and subtle sounds like purring and hissing. It's well known that cats sleep a lot, but a less common curiosity is that these felines have sleep cycles quite distinct from humans. While we humans follow a diurnal, daytime, and nocturnal, nighttime, sleep routine, cats are crepuscular, meaning they are most active during dawn and dusk. For this reason, they tend to sleep during the day and become more active during the early morning hours and evening. Although it is known that cats have highly developed senses, their sense of smell is often underestimated compared to their exceptional vision and hearing. In reality, cats have a surprisingly acute sense of smell. Their nostrils have a larger area of olfactory cells compared to humans, allowing them to detect odors much more intensely and even pick up on subtle chemical substances in the air. This keen sense of smell is a crucial tool for cats in hunting and exploring their environment. I hope these cat curiosities are interesting and new to you. It's always fascinating to learn more about these incredible animals. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time.